Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn to transform sentences from simple past tense to simple present tense in the Kashmiri language. Let's get started. Raju chu kath karan. Raju chu kath karan. This sentence is in present tense. In order to change it to past tense, we will have to replace chu to os, and the transformation will look like Raju os kath karan. Everything else, as you see in the sentence, remains the same. Only you have to change chu to os. Second example, Adil chu paran will get transformed into Adil os paran. Suman ch chit lekhan. Suman is a feminine noun, so we use ch instead of chu. Suman ch chit lekhan. Present tense, when transformed to past tense, will become Suman as chit lekhan. So remember, ch gets converted into as. As is always used for feminine nouns. And the last example for today is Razia ch palav chalan. Razia ch palav chalan. When transformed to past tense, it becomes Razia as palav chalan. Now you can take n number of verbs and start making sentences in both present tense and simple tense. That was it in today's lesson. We will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.